if you're good at getting real estate at a discount, there's always somebody that's willing to buy it from you if you get a big enough deal. In 2008, the stance would be it's bad because people aren't getting funding and there's no buyers, but you found buyers.
As this market crashes, their single family homes are going to become available to purchase. So I went off with my buddy and we started flipping homes and we started selling them to investors as fully rent occupied homes. We said, hey, you guys have lost this amount of money on your 401k. So let's go target people who are working jobs, who have money in the 401k that they would go buy and that they'd buy and hold. Now that became their retirement side.
So did you use the 401k money initially to buy them and fix them up as well? Or did you just have them use the 401k money to buy them after you had already fixed them up and put a renter in?
After we got a hard money loan, right? And just started buying properties, started fixing, flipping them. And then people, with their 401ks would utilize their 401ks to buy these properties inside their 401k.
Dude, that's the point I wanted to hit home. Your model, because you weren't relying on lenders, you were relying on people that in a time when everything's bad and lenders aren't lending, their 401ks are performing around that time worse than they almost ever have in history. That strategy is so genius because I feel like you put like a guaranteed safety net in on the exit of that property at a time when you can get some of the best deals, but you can't exit. You built in your exit